Hi! Lamb chops are one of those food that you would order in a fancy restaurants. And normally, those are expensive. And the reason why they're expensive is because lamb chop itself is expensive. However, from time to time in our local grocery stores, it could be sale. So when I see one, I take advantage of it and buy and try to cook one. Today, I'm gonna cook an Asian-style lamb chops. So, if you want to learn how to cook an Asian-style lamb chops, then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Red the Cooking Dad. If you're new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that you get notified when I upload new videos. We have a very beautiful rack of lamb here. It was on sale. Lamb chops is, first, it's really hard to find where we live, and if they are available, it's also quite pricey. So, but I saw that it was on sale, so I take advantage of it. So we have a lamb rack here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this into individual popsicle, if you may say that. So just go through the grain, and I'm not even removing the fat because the fat will be so good once we start grilling this. So isn't that pretty? I'm just gonna do that in each one of these. Cut through. So one full rack, I ended up with 8 individual lamb chop popsicles. So now we're gonna prepare our marinade for this. What I'm gonna do, since we're doing Asian style, I'm putting garlic, black pepper, and also cilantro stems. I'm using the stems here, and there's some leaves, but basically what we're using here is the stem. So I'm just use my Mortal and Pestle and just pound this until it becomes a paste. This should be good. So what we end up having is this grainy, pasty consistency here. And you could smell the aroma of the combination of spices here. It's really, smells so good. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna use this paste to rub our lamb chops with this paste. Rubbing each individual popsicle with that paste. Yeah, I'm gonna make the marinade. I have 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, soy sauce, and sweet soy sauce, and of course oyster sauce. I'm also adding 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar, olive oil, and then we're gonna put this marinade into our lamb chops. Make sure that they are soaked into the marinade. And we're gonna set this aside and let it marinate for about 2 hours. I'm gonna put some oil on my grill. Just let this be hot for a little bit, and then once it's hot, we turn it down to medium heat. Then we're gonna grill our lamb chops.
If you like this video, smash that like button. How about 1,000 likes, please? Turn on notifications and please subscribe.